Hello friends, very good morning. This is the Ballari Avinash. Welcome to another vlog, guys. Come on, guys. Let us start this episode. Episode is about tire. Yes, guys. Sorry, this is a watcher, and you can see this Fevicol, guys. These are the things to set up this tubeless tire on Mac wheel, guys. We have to insert the neck and we have to insert this watcher. After that, we have to put the Fevicol front side and back side direction. After that, we have to twist that screw tighter. Later, we have to make it dry. After making it dry, we have to keep it beside, and we have to check whether the Mac wheel is in good condition or not. And after that, we have to take a new tire. As you can see, this is a new tire of MRF. It just cost me around 2000 rupees, 2100 rupees, sorry, 2100. And he's going to install that tire on my bike's rim, guys. Take a look. He's putting some water, some surf water, I think. and after that he just put it, filled the air, and he just set up again back to this bike. Sorry guys, by that time my battery was low, so I did not recorded anything. I recorded only few. He installed the tire on my bike and he just checked the air and everything. Tire was so brilliant. And after this, see, take a look. This is a MRF tire, guys. Okay, and after 5 to 6 days later, he said me, that Basha mechanic wala, he said me to recheck the tire. I mean, a air is good condition or not, whether it is becoming low or is it at same. He said. So I just went to check my tire and I just put nitrogen gas into my both the tires, front and rear. So just filling the air. First of all, I just removed the air which I have filled before. I have removed everything air. Later, I just put nitrogen gas into my tires so that tire will be in the good condition. And okay guys, this is a MRF tire showroom near Modi Circle. As you can see, this is a showroom of MRF.
అదే రాజన్న హీరో కింగ్ బల్లారి. బండికి అందరు రాండి, అందరు రాండి. నేను కూడా ఉంటాను దుర్గం సిడి బండికి. అందరూ రాలాడ దుర్గం సిడి బండి మంగళవారం 27కి.
Guys, thanks for watching my video. God bless you and all. Be happy. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye.